Hi guys, this is the MIJ-32-inch smart TV. I just got this from Jumia recently, and this is my unboxing video. So the smart TV, honestly I didn't expect much at this price, but let's see, it actually looks nice. Let's see what it looks like. So straight out of the box, everything is packed really nicely. We've got the TV itself, the remote, and every other thing added to it. The accessory, nothing too fancy, very clean. So this is a frameless TV. It's a digital satellite frameless HD LED TV. It runs on Android 14 OS with 1 gig plus 8 gig. And this is everything that is included in the box. I got this TV for 105,000, then plus shipping we round it up to 110,000. Honestly, it looks really nice. Very slim, as you can see, and though it's very light. So yeah, you can see the different ports we have here. It has HDMI, USB, earphone jack, and every other thing. So let's peel off the seal. You have to be careful when doing this because there's like a screen protector, so try not to pull off the screen protector. So here you see I can connect with the internet, so you can stream, watch videos. Connects to your phone also. These are the different channels, different connectors. You can scan your TV, you can scan for station without having to use an antenna. And this is the USB connector, where you can use your USB, your flash to watch, to connect your media. So this is me scanning. So this is a TV, the smart TV. You can stream, you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix. So this is a smart TV. It features a BOA panel with 1366 to 768 resolution. I would really recommend this because it's budget friendly. It's you can get this if you're just looking for something simple with a very low budget, and it comes with everything you can think of. Everything you can call this is actually an Android TV rather than a smart TV. First impression, the thing actually looks really good. It has the frameless design which gives it a more modern feel, especially for a budget TV. It's also very lightweight, so setting it up shouldn't be a problem. You also get multiple ports here, HDMI, USB, and even an earphone output, which is a nice touch. So just keep in mind that this is a 1 gig RAM and 8 gig storage, so don't expect super high performance. Now let's talk about the display. For a 32-inch HD screen, the picture quality is actually okay. So yeah, let me know what you think. Would you buy this TV or go for something else? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share for more honest review.